Welcome to the start of today's vlog. We're actually starting off the night after the market. We're loading up these printers, getting some more fidget toys ready, refinishing up the first half of the luchador sauce holder, getting that restarted on the other half that we actually got spaghetti. If you guys checked out last week's video, you guys will know what happened. If not, go check it out. Loading up the printer on this one to do dragonflies and getting this one ready to do fidget toys, and then probably figuring out what to do in the studio with the printer in there, because we're going to be done with the T-Rexes in there. Honey, would you like to do some more dragons or other bone items that we haven't done yet?
Maybe bone dragons, because I think we only have one more.
Bone dragons it is. Systems are a go. All printers are rocking and rolling with tonight's prints. Originally this was going to be a dragonfly, but I cannot find the file due to my old hard drive corrupting, so I'm going to have to look on my old hard drive to try to pull that dragonfly file tomorrow. But I wanted to get something done, so we got some panda heart keychains, panda heart normal size, or baby pandas, and pocket peeps. I'm all over the place. We got the exterior fidget toys going up next on this one, and a skeleton dragon on launch in the studio. Let's just say there's gonna have to be some rim prints going on. There's literally 3 left. Man, I'm gonna do single on these since they'll be quicker. Yeah, it'll be faster me going back to the machines, but at least I won't have to deal with this. And yes, I know, the cryo grip, I will be getting it. On the 20th, I will be ordering some cryo grip for things like this. But I'm actually really surprised this didn't work. Oh, and there goes that one too. Yeah, it's just gonna be reprinted. We got a dragon that's done. Let's grab that bad boy. Look at you. You're so cool. Alright, the pandas with hearts are done. New pocket peeps, new keychains, and new baby peeps ready to go. Obviously, one of them is going to go in the not so perfect print, because that's not going to be fixable right there. But we're going to go ahead and take these bad boys off the plate and get some more stuff done. And finally, this one's doing it correctly. It's almost done. Like I said, it's a prototype for something we're going to be doing later in the coming weeks. Got another dragon on the studio printer, then going to make some more things over here. Probably do a single helix version 3 or version 2. Gonna do another fidget toy on this printer to get things going for the night. And the luchador is complete. Gonna get the next product started. We got a slim version of a book nook coming for Amanda. She wanted to have something to display at one of the next markets we have. Got some more little pocket peeps, bunnies with hearts, and the dragon is being made now. Let's see how it turns out. I'm very excited. Here in the studio right now, getting some work things done, getting some emails, getting some phone calls, getting some things organized for this week for the photographers that I'm managing right now, things like that. So setting up some interviews as well for a position that I have here. And we've got a completed dragon, about to get another one set up and started while I'm here in the office. The Valentine's bunnies are looking great for the pocket peeps. 1 of 3 parts done for the book nook. Dragon head is still in the work in process. The support here messed up, but it fixed itself. Luckily, definitely gonna need some cleanup more than likely. But let's see how many days we have left. We got 36 hours left, so quite a bit of time. All right, so I've been in the studio making some gaming content, and now something I'm gonna mention. We got a comment recently about the video we just posted last week as it being a sponsored video because we received a product from a business. Now, knowing from our perspective, we had no idea that even if we received a product, even in our email when we clearly state we're going to give a positive or negative review no matter what, that's what it was. If you are wanting to send something to us, you're more than welcome to do so, but we are not asking for anything, and we're not guaranteeing anything that this would be considered a sponsored video. But I did make that minor mistake, so I'll make sure that I don't do that from now on, that it will be sponsored videos, whether they're good or bad. Just to be very transparent and honest with you guys, like I said, we had no idea that that's what a sponsored video really was, and I've been doing YouTube for some time now. We were under the assumption that a sponsored video is requiring to give a very positive review or getting some form of payment for it, not just the product. So I really, really do apologize. It really does upset me when y'all feel any kind of distrust when we come up with content and stuff like that. So we really do apologize for that. When businesses send us product, we're going to give you the straight, honest truth. We're not going to sugarcoat anything that we do. There's no reason for it. It's not necessary. And the way I see it is how we do Amazon affiliate links. This is the best example of it. We're not getting sponsored by the tablecloths or the bubble wrap or you know, the bags that we use to do stuff, that's not sponsored content. We're getting that stuff anyways. We were going to get something like this anyways, but there's just affiliate links in the description box below. That's how we kind of saw it. I don't know if that helps better understand where we're coming from. So we do really apologize. We don't want y'all to feel, like I said, uneasy with anything that we provide on this channel. Now, I do want to give you guys some background on what we're doing right now. It is currently under review, but we are about to launch a join button. Like we said before, it is more along the lines of a support system to be able to do more content a lot quicker and, you know, slowly transition to doing this full time. That's mainly what it is, because I have tons of content ideas, multiple content that this will be able to help me produce on several different channels to be able to just provide you guys with a lot of information. Like I said, all of it's going to be free. Nothing's going to be locked behind a paywall. I got some ideas, and I'm going to showcase a little bit of that with you guys here now. All right, it's officially been soft launched. You guys are seeing it right now. We just launched it. I'll show you guys the levels. We have the welcome to the fam, which you get loyalty badges and emojis, members polls. Only we're putting this at the base level because we feel that all of you guys should be able to do this. Basically, it'll be like deciding what we print one of the weeks, or deciding what we post, you know, things like that. We'll have plenty of ideas, and you guys can be more than welcome to leave us some comments down in the comment section below. Then we have the gratitude, the $4.99. We get early access to new videos. This is just early access. It's nothing that's extravagant or anything like that. Member shout outs, photos and status updates. So if something goes good, if something goes bad, we're going to give you guys direct updates on that. You'll start off with a 10% discount here on that. Then we have the family print pioneers, connecting on social media, discounted merchandise. You'll get 20% off at this tier for any merch that we have and things like that. Then we have, which is basically family print founders. This is basically like our biggest thing we can do. We're going to get a printed name plaque, which is going to go either it's going to go somewhere on the wall here, so some of that's going to change. We're going to figure out where it's going to go, but eventually all the printers are going to be in here somewhere, or at least most of the main stuff, because we want to get to doing live streams and discussions with you guys and kind of just chit chat and have fun with you guys here. But we're going to figure it out. And then, of course, the discount merchandise there is going to be 30% off all our merch, because when you guys are dedicating time to being able to do these tiers, we want to make sure you guys get something really, really good. And we're going to continue to add more levels onto these things once we figure them out. Again, this is soft launch, so you've already been seeing it on the channel. I'm really excited for what we want to bring for you guys. Continue to be transparent and honest with you guys. We have nothing to hide. We want to just make sure you guys are understanding what we're doing and what we're trying to do. So we're going to be getting into a couple different videos. We already want to do everything you need for a farmer's market. There's something else that's blinking right now. I mean, it's literally 1 o'clock in the morning, and I'm working really hard to get these content and videos out to you guys. There's just so much goodness coming. We've got a lot of stuff going. We have prints going right now. We got another dragon going here in the studio. I have a new gaming content that just came out. If you guys are interested in Dragon Ball Z content, I have a gaming channel. Link is in the description box below. Let me know what you guys thought of the outro. I haven't heard too much feedback on that. It's very much appreciated. We're going to be doing a lot of tips probably this weekend, as long as we don't run into any kind of pop-up things, but we should be able to do something on Saturday of some breakdown videos that will be released after this video goes live. The Alicorn Dragon is looking really good for this file, and fixing up the color parts on this model. We really, really do appreciate it. We also have a wine dragon holder that's being done right now. This one's gonna need some extra paint work. We're gonna get some gold sparkles from, Walmart or something, and give it a little bit more uniqueness. You'll see what I mean when the time comes, but it's being done right now. The Book Nook Dragon is looking amazing. We have less than 24 hours left. So this is very exciting. Can't wait to see what the final product looks like, because a lot of the details are being covered by the tree supports right now. So be on the lookout for that. Just grabbed 2 dragons from the studio. Go see the progress on the printers inside. Here's the Alicorn. It's almost completed and it looks magnificent. Again, thank you, David. This is a freaking amazing work. And a fix on here, and it looks awesome. Dragon wine holder is almost complete, and man, this looks fantastic. We have 8 hours left on this dragon Book Nook head, and then we have one more piece to do, which is the hand. And once that's done, That'll be ready to be assembled. All right, we got another package drop off for today. TCG side of things.
Hey there.
Hello, just doing a little drop off. Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too. The alicorn looks freaking amazing. Holy moly. I'm actually gonna get another one of these printed up too right now. And the dragon wine holder looks pretty dang dope. All right, the cobra wine holder is a go. Second alicorn is a go. This dragon has been completed. I'm gonna take apart all the supports. It's been a long day. I actually had to do a lot of stuff for my job today with social media stuff, social media packages, deals for dealerships, meetings, all kinds of stuff all day today. And I'm not even done. I'm going to create the merch today for the channel for y'all to see, which y'all will probably have already seen because everything has been soft launched, that being the members. Now, I also did activate something that I didn't know was a thing. You can actually activate the membership links, the join button, in the description box. It's actually at the top now. I'm assuming that's their workaround because the join button is actually not available on phones, and most people watch content on their phone. So the join button is available still on desktop. So if you guys want to join, you're more than welcome to. If not, it's totally fine. We are getting a scheduled plan for this weekend's shoots of some breakdowns, some ideas that we want to get across to you guys. And we're just ready to get some things hustling and going. It's time to get this kiddo to bed. Yeah. And thank you guys for subscribing. We're literally extremely close to 2,000 subscribers. I think we can do it this week, for sure. So I really do appreciate it. This is like insane on the growth here, and I am very, very appreciative of that.
You better subscribe. I want to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the week. I want you to. What? What are you laughing at?
I'm not laughing at nothing.
Yes, you are.
So we're gonna get things done. We got things to do, prep, and get on with tonight. And tomorrow is me and Amanda's second year wedding anniversary, and we have been together almost, and this time in July will be 13 years we have been together. 13 years. 2011. No, hold on. I gotta do the quick math. This time in July will be 14 years we've been together. Holy crap. It'll be 14 years. I can't believe we'll be 14 years in July. That is so many years. I will have been with my wife almost half her life. We met when she was 15 and I was 17. That is insane. So,
You're way older than her.
not by much. Just a little bit older. But yeah, really excited. Really cool. And get on with the rest of let's get on with the rest of what we got going on. The Cobra has been completed. That's amazing. Honestly, a really late start to the day today. Had a lot of work stuff to do, but we have a very cool rose panda being done on this one. We have a panda wine holder being done right now. Finishing up Amanda's book nook dragon hand, which by the way looks extremely well. As well as finishing up the merch from yesterday that I was having troubles figuring out getting the design put together, but we now have that going. But it has been a intensive long day with social media work for my job, with social media stuff for the 3D printing business. It has been a nonstop grind this week, more so than any other week I've done this year. Even this year, this is insane. But we're getting things done. I'm so excited. We have preparations for Saturday. It's been filling up. Today is our official 2-year anniversary, our wedding anniversary, which we didn't really get to do much. I've been working literally all day, but we're gonna try to settle down, have a good time, a little bit of good time to ourselves right now. So this will be the last little update that I'll do for tonight, possibly. But we have the merch. You guys are seeing it down below. We have the memberships available. Like I said, lots of stuff we're trying to do to build to make this better. Also, we did have our first tax consultation call today, which took about 40 minutes to talking about what we need to do for taxes, how we need to do write-offs, how much we need to pay to do the taxes to get somebody that's part of our LLC, which we signed up with Zen Business, which we actually never really talked about in here, but we have an LLC designated and set up for our business so we can get as much tax write-off, and it talks about something about profit loss that kind of goes into my main job that'll like kind of do the difference. And there's just a lot of things that I got to learn and understand and do, but all this stuff was done today. I'm keeping you guys, like I said, very honest, very open about everything that's going on. We're getting an email finished out about another possibility of another brand reaching out to us, so everything is here. We're being straightforward with you guys. We're talking with them, trying to figure some stuff out, and this will be a sponsored video, that's for sure, coming out for this one. But lots to do, and then we have preparations. It's gonna be a long night of trying to, well, I don't know. My mind is kind of scattered right now. This is the first time it's kind of really all over the place because I want to settle down and do some stuff. I want to settle down and like watch some movies with Amanda, and I've just been on the go all day. I've literally had phone calls all day today. So, and then tomorrow is going to be more of a physical part of my job where I have to go shoot and do some things for some truck beds. So a lot of stuff to get into. Yeah, we'll catch an update tomorrow before I go to work tomorrow, and what the printer's doing, how they're doing, and go from there. But it has been crazy. We really do appreciate all the support we're getting on here. It's been incredible, and it's continued to be incredible. We're literally super close to 2,000 subscribers. So thank you everybody who's deciding to subscribe to the channel and continue to follow our journey here and giving us tips. Us giving you tips. We're going to be giving as much tips as we possibly can. And let's get on with the day. Good morning, guys. We just broke 200 on the AdSense from YouTube. We're at 1,800 subscribers in the last 90 days, 9,300 watch hours, and 119,000 views. These are looking pretty good for the Rose Bear, as well as the Panda Bear wine holder. The hand has been completed. Good, gonna need to get these supports off and see how it looks actually. This is looking really good. Panda's almost done. I actually have to go ahead and get a black ready and loaded, or I should get the black ready to go. So it's just a quick swap. Bear looks fantastic. It's got some weight, which I always like to have my prints to have a little bit of weight. It gives it a more solidarity to it. So, and it looks fantastic. Super detailed. Really happy with it. Gonna do a second actual print on this one too, because we are just gonna heavily prepare for Valentine's Day. We should have 2 markets in February to kind of get that going. One's going to be after Valentine's Day, and then one's going to be before. So we'll see how that goes. Panda is also looking pretty good. Definitely more on the heavy side of the white and black, using a lot of that material. But I mean, it looks incredible. Trying to build up my wine holder capacity to kind of more target towards the adults. That's kind of one of the things I've noticed, is sometimes these markets are not targeted enough to the adults to get that done. Right now we have a pink and white soccer ball controller holder going. Halfway done with the Rose Bear. The Helix fidget toys are done. Gonna do another set of these as well. Well, we got a long day today, but I wanted to update you guys on some maintenance that happened last night. See if I can show you. The PTFE tube on the AMS system back here popped through at about 1 o'clock in the morning, so I had to fix that. It was a quick, simple fix, but now I'm out of PTFE tubes, so I got to do an order on this. Reminder, it's never if it happens, it's when it happens. You got to be prepared. Everything on here is running smoothly now and rocking and rolling. Bear's almost complete. This will be done after we do a few things today, some errands. These are also done, and now it's time to go do some stuff. And also, it's time to throw this away now that I don't, well, actually, still could be usable, actually, on certain parts. I just have to cut the split out. But, yeah, it actually could be reused. All right, this is looking pretty good. Bear is complete. Got some more Helix fidgets being worked on right now. So Amanda and I did not get to doing what we wanted to specifically do today, which was set up like a little video for a how to set up for a farmer's market with 3D printing, nor the other video we wanted to do. But we got a lot of other stuff done today, a lot of progress done, including stuff around the house, things like that. And we're gonna help my brother tomorrow. So that's pretty much gonna be for today's video. I got the paint, and we'll start off the next vlog with some painting action on the wine holders. So I'm really excited for that. And let's see what next week brings. If you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys subscribe. I do have a join button. If you guys want to do that, feel free to do so. It does help support the channel. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.